And who shouldn't love lip gloss at this moment? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's jereel on your screen today. How are you all doing? So officially this is Vlogmas day 21. So in today's vlog I'll be showing you guys some makeup I just purchased, and I'm really happy to be trying this makeup products on because I've always longed to have or own makeup products like this. So I'm super excited to own this product. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button down below here or here, I think it's here. Click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you'll be the first to know. Yeah, this vlog or this video is gonna be very short because I don't want it to be long. I don't want it to get boring, okay? Let me just show you guys the items I purchased, and if you've tried any of them, let me know your comments, whatever, on the products you've tried. And yeah, so with that all said, let's dive right into this video. Well guys, the first thing I'll be showing you guys is this lip gloss. I've always longed to own a lip gloss in a clear glass like this, and this lip gloss is new to me. I haven't tried it before, but I think it's they say pure matte gentle repair lip gloss. I don't know, I think it's should I say medicated, like from what they said here, gentle repair. So I think it's really, it repairs the lip. It has this applicator brush that is just like this, and I love lip gloss. I love lip glosses a lot, if you know. And who shouldn't love lip gloss at this moment? Down here in Nigeria, we're experiencing the Harmattan. It's something we experience during the festive season every December. It's normal. You need to stay moisturized and stay hydrated and also stay glossed up, okay? So I really like this product. It's a good one. Thing I've always longed to try is this. Do you see? Okay, I've always longed to try this because people say that it's really good. So I kind of bumped into it today. I was like, why not? It's right. And I picked up the Pond formulated by the Pond Institution long lasting, they didn't say long but I'm just adding mine, lasting oil control instant shine free look vanishing cream, very oily skin. So this is for a very oily skin, and I have a very oily skin, as you guys know. I'm gonna try open it and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. If you've not tried it, I would recommend you go try it out because I've not tried it myself, but it looks like something that is really going to work. So here it's how you open it. Oh, ready? Okay. Wow, it has a very nice smell. See the content is white. It has a very nice smell. I can't wait to try this on. It looks really, it smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. I like it. So I decided to purchase these foundations, and this is the Zickel foundation. This is the Even True Zickel foundation, and this one is in color 1001, which is white cream. That's what the color is, and this one is really cute. I like it. It matches my stone. It fits me. You know, it's really pretty when I wore it at the store. And this is SPF 30, and it's a pro coverage, high definition, matte poreless. And this is in color 020, that's color 20, and this is sexy. And more my I don't know if you can see that around here. sexy almond. I'm doing myself sexy almond, and it's really cute. This is on the darker shades. It's on the darker side. This is on the darker side, and this one is on the lighter side. You can see the difference. This foundation is for my customers, so I'm going to be using on my dark toned or chocolate toned customers that will be coming for makeup. You know, this is the season for makeup, so everybody needs to glam up. I can also use this one for a customer who is as light skin as I am, and also for myself. And guys, this foundation is the coverage is really good. It says SPF 30, and the coverage is really good. I'm really anticipating to try this. So far so good. We've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, leave a comment down below and telling me what you think about all items I purchased. For me, I love them. I think that they're worth affording. They are really few, you know. Thank you for watching this video.